everyone, it's me again, Sharon Rose Master Lizeles Valle. Today I'm going to share with you this Atomy steam humidifier. So I ordered this last week, and since we have holiday last week, so it arrived yesterday night. So I would like to share with you what is this Atomy steam humidifier and how does it look like. So let's see, let's open. Okay, we are going to open this now. So let's be careful. Okay, and then remove the tape. Yes, so let's see how does it look like inside. So this is how it looks like. So it comes with a manual. Of course, it has a manual. So as you can see, there is a manual here. So how can you use it? So you need to check this first before you will be going to use it, of course. And I think this is the cleaner. So yeah, there is a small brush here. And then this one is the top design. And then let's see. Okay, so there is a styro to make it safe during the transportation. So this is how it looks like inside. There is a styro for protection, and it's a little bit big than I expected. So it's a little bit big. So this is how it looks like. How it looks like inside. So all we have to do is to arrange it well, and then we will going to put this one first. Okay, this one first. We're going to put it like this. And then next is we're going to put this one. Okay. And then let's close it. And then we are going to put this one. And then we will be going to put this one. And then if you want to use it, of course you need to put water on the blue one, on the blue side, and then you just going to plug it, and then water will come out here. So let's try again. I will put some water, and then let's try how does it work. Okay, so we are going to put water. There is here maximum, so it should be lower than the maximum. You put water lower than the maximum. Now we have put water, so we are going to put the cover here. Then there is a lock also here, so you need to lock it. Okay, you need to lock it. I'm sorry. You need to lock it, and then you're going to put also the cover here. So it says here, you need to remove this one. Okay, and then put now the top. And then we try to plug it, and then see if the steam will comes out. Okay, let me see, where is the one that you need to put. Okay, there is an off and on here. So all we have to do is to on it, and then here we can see the on and off button, and then here is the level of the steam you want. So until level 3. So if you want that the steam goes fast, or lot of steams will comes out, then you need to push number 3. And then if you want to comes out just a little bit, then 1. And then we have also timer here. We have 1 hour, 2 hours, and 8 hours as seen on the manual. So I choose 2 hours right now, so because I'm just testing it, so that is how it looks like. Now the water or the steam is not coming out from the steam humidifier. Can you see it? Actually you cannot see it well, but this is how it works. Yeah. Okay, so it's a little bit big than I expected, but I think it's a good investment for healthy house, healthy home, and for healthy family. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye. So can you hear also the sound? Bye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel at Atomy Ariel Marikina Aja Aja Center for more video updates, especially for those products which is not yet available in other countries but available in Korea. That's it for today. I think I need to fix this also. Yeah, you need to fix it. Yes.